Welcome back, researchers. It's great to see you. So far, we have talked about what a research project is, how to choose a topic, and how to ask great questions. Then you did some work on your own, finding resources and possibly articles or videos to help you learn about your topic. So now it's time for you to learn. While you are reading and watching your sources, I want you to take notes in a circle map. Circle maps are a type of graphic organizer that gathers information. In the middle of your circle, you're going to write your topic. My topic is flowers. Then in the frame of reference, or that outside rectangle, you will type the 5 to 8 great questions you came up with. If you came up with less than 8, just delete the extra ones in your copy. We are putting our questions in that frame of reference so that we are reminded what we're really excited to learn about. It will help us stay focused and centered as we do our work. In the large circle, you will add information you learn. I found 5 sources about flowers. I can't wait to get started. After I've read the first source, I will add information that I learned into my circle. Now, you'll need to insert a text box to type in your new learning. It's pretty easy, but watch me as I do it. Click Insert, and then in the drop-down menu, I find Text Box. Click that. Now I just click where I want the text box to appear. Now I can type in what I learned from my first article. I suggest that you make a new text box for each interesting fact. So here are my notes after reading source 1. When I read this next source, I will do the same thing. This time, however, I will use a new color for my facts. If source 1 is all in black, source 2 could be in blue. You get to choose. Remember, researchers, this does not need to be paragraph form. You'll notice some of my notes aren't even complete sentences, and that is okay. I just want to put the most important information down so that it's collected all in one place. If I find an answer to one of my great questions, then I will highlight it. That's like checking it off that I can explain what I used to be wondering. That's why research projects are so awesome. I can immediately show you that I know something I didn't used to know. Here are my notes after reading source 3. Here are my notes after reading source 4. Here are my notes after the 5th source. Since I am studying flowers, it made sense for me to include a diagram of the parts. If you're studying something and you want to label the parts, consider including a diagram and using text boxes to label it. The last step is for me to check my questions and highlight any questions that I can answer now. It looks like there are still some unanswered questions to answer, but that's not for today. Now, all of my knowledge is in one place to help me with the next step of my research project. It's time for you to start your researching, and I'll see you next time.